Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about the function. This one. Now we put negative x gone here. Next, we know that sine of negative x with the power number 2, this one that is about even power, so we can put like this. Even power with the negative, so we have positive. Cosine of negative x, that is about cosine x. This is about the odd power, so the negative will go outside and we have like this. And we know that this one that is about this one. So we can say that this is about the odd function. So because the bounds is symmetric, so this one equals to number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.